Have you ever wondered how a successful Muslim mother manages to balance her work and family life, all while working from the comfort of her own home? Welcome to a journey of determination and success. Zara, a digital entrepreneur, a dedicated mother, and a proud Muslim woman. Staying home for 13 years after marriage, Zara found herself yearning for more than just the confines of her home. There has to be a good balance, she thought, between her aspirations and her responsibilities as a mother. Just like Zara, this story resonates many other Muslim or even non-Muslim stay-at-home mothers out there. Their solution? A home-based online business. Meet Fatima. She starts her day before sunrise, observing her morning prayers, a fundamental part of her faith and daily routine. As the rest of the world is still asleep, Fatima is already at work, responding to emails and strategizing for the day ahead. Women like her have built thriving online businesses, all from their home office. Zara and Fatima run an affiliate marketing business, promoting high affiliate links and earn a commission from every sale. They now have social media sharing their expertise in digital marketing with clients across the globe. These women are not just a businesswoman, they are mothers too. They take breaks throughout the day to spend time with their children, helping with their schoolwork, preparing meals, and enjoying their company. They are present for each and every milestone of their children, all while running a successful affiliate marketing business from home. But how do they do it all? For all of these women, they attribute their success to the following key principles: mindset, consistency, and the power of digital technology. They all have a mindset committed to success. They follow a strict schedule, balancing work and family on a daily basis. They are very consistent, ensuring they meet their business goals each and every day. And above all, they leverage digital tools to streamline their business operations. In conclusion, Zahara and Fatima's journey are an inspiration. They embody the spirit of modern Muslim woman, dedicated, ambitious, and resilient. They are a beacon of light, demonstrating that with determination, organization, and a little digital know-how, you can indeed have it all. Remember, success is not defined by where you work, but by how you work. And as they show us, it's possible to build a thriving business right from your living room. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. Stay inspired and keep believing in your ability to achieve your dreams, just like Zara and Fatima.